Alright, today we are taking a look at this dog grooming hanging kit. And I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I could do a product review and test it out. And this little guy acts like he's swimming hanging here. But he's able to hang here and relax, and I was able to trim his nails and work with him. And then you can see it just easily comes down and he's kind of safely held up there. Okay, this is a small kit for our little dog, and our little dog is about 1 foot long and weighs 7 pounds. So this would accommodate any miniature dog up to almost a medium-sized dog because it's really good quality. All right, what do we got?
We have a dog hammock to put Fox in, a toothbrush, a dog toothbrush. Oh, after the grooming's all done, we have some bows.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. Cute sticker. We have a brush comb. Some nail clippers. Some hooks. File. And these go with the hammock. It looks like we have some Q-tips and a grooming brush. These are awesome. I like these. They work really good. Cute. Just for you, Fox. We'll give it a try. Here, you need it.